Hi students, good morning to all. Hope all of you are keeping fine and safe at home. Today we are starting our first online class. Welcome to this class. All of you are familiar with number patterns or sequences. For example, 1, 2, 3, etc. Sequence of natural numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Sequence of odd numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Even numbers. Every day we come across with many such number sequences. So today's our topic is also about such a special number sequence which is called arithmetic progression. So let us begin our topic now. In every number patterns we discussed, there is a common difference between the successive terms. Our new chapter is arithmetic progression. A number sequence which has a common difference between successive terms is called an AP. Arithmetic progression simply we are calling AP. Consider few number sequence. The first one 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. We know this is odd numbers and first number 1, second number 3 like that. In arithmetic progression, in this special sequence, each number here 1, 3, 5, 7, each number we are calling terms. First term that is 1, second term that is 3, third term that is 5 like that. Okay. So here our first term is 1, then difference between second and first term or 3 minus 1 that is 2, then 5 minus 3 that is 2, 7 minus 5 that is also 2, etc. That is the difference between successive terms in this sequence is 2, or we can say that first term is 1 and common difference is 2. Then we can go to the next sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Here the first term is 2. The difference between second and first term that is 4 minus 2, answer is 2. Similarly, difference between third term and second term 6 minus 4 that is also 2. 8 minus 6 that is also 2. So in this sequence also common difference is 2. Then we can go to the next sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, etc. Here we know the first term is 2, second term 5, third term 8, fourth term 11. Here we can easily identify the difference between each term, that is 3. That means here the first term is 2 and common difference is 3. So there will be a common difference between the terms of an arithmetic progression. Now we can go to few examples. Can you find the next term of the given sequence? Here the first sequence is 2, 7, 12, then 7 minus 2 that is 5, 12 minus 7 that is also 5, then automatically the next term is 12 plus 5 that is 17. Then the next term is 17 plus 5 that is 22. So here the first term is 2 and the common difference is 5. Then in the second example 3, 7, 11, etc. Here the common difference is 7 minus 3, 4, 11 minus 7 that is also 4. Here the common difference is 4. Common difference is 4 and the first term is 3. So we can write the next term. 7 plus 4 that is 11, then 11 plus 4, that is 15. 15. The next term is 15 plus 4, 19. Now consider our first question, first sequence, 2, 7, 12, 17, etc. with the common difference 5 and the first term 2. Normally we are writing general form of an AP, A1, A2, A3, etc. AN. Okay. Our first term we can consider AN. Here no need to write any special way. First term is 2, that's all. But the second term, from the given sequence we know the second term is 7, that is 2 plus first term plus the common difference 5, 2 plus 5. That 5 we can write only 1 5, no? So we can write 2 plus 1 times 5. Go to the third term. Third term is 12, that we can write first term plus 10. This 10 we can write 2 times 5. Then the fourth term. Fourth term is 17. This 17 we can write 2 plus 15. 15 we can write 3 times 5. So the fourth term 17 we can express as first term plus 3 times 5. Similarly, fifth term and sixth term we can write like this way. Then once again you just look here. The third term means here common difference 2 times erased. Fourth term, here the common difference came 3 times. Fifth term, here 4 times the common difference. Sixth term, first term plus 5 times the common difference. If we continue like this, the 10th term we can write first term. Listen, sixth term here 5 into 5. Fifth term 4 into 5. Similarly, 10th term here we can write 2 plus 9 into 5. 9 times 5. And 15th term we can write 2 plus 14 times 5. In general, instead of 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 15, instead of these numbers, in general we can give nth term. N can take any value. That is, if you want to find 50th term, then the value of n is 50, that's all. In general, nth term 2 plus n minus 1 into d. We can write 2 is our first term a1 plus n minus 1 into d. D means the common difference. Then in formula we are not going to write a1. This a1 simply we are writing a. So nth term of an AP is an equal a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the first formula we are supposed to learn from this chapter, and this formula is very, very important. Using this formula we can find the nth term or the position of a term given in the AP and so on.